like, share, subscribe, and comment, please. Thank you. Mwah. Take out my glasses so I can see you clearly. Wait, I'm looking at the wrong thing the whole time. Alright, so it's day 2, our second full day in Panama. I'm wearing Coach necklace, K-spade earrings. My glasses are Polo. Yeah, I love the detail on it. Let me see if I can, hold on, let me see if I can tap in, focus in on the detail. The wooden detail, so cute. All right, so Polo on the glasses, Coach bag, shorts, and these Woodstock sandals. Let me see if I can focus in. Don't mind, it's because I wear oil. I have moisturized with oil, so that's why I didn't have the brown stuff. Don't mind that. We're going for a quick breakfast, and then after we return to the hotel, and then we go for the Monkey and Gatun Island tour. So we're going to see some monkey and some wildlife. Yeah, I'm quite excited about today. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment, please. Thank you. Mwah. I really appreciated that this hotel was quite central. So we got a view of the Panama Canal, right? And we got a view of the city as well. It was a really central located hotel. This was a loft, Panama, and it was good. Now for breakfast, I really wanted to go to another spot, but when I got there, they had a rule, a restriction when it comes on to wearing shorts, so I couldn't get to go in. And then we found this location. We found this location called this restaurant called Crepes and Waffles. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Like the breakfast, 10 out of 10. Beautiful spot. It was really close to our hotel. The pricing was good, and the meal was really good. Like I enjoyed my meal. It's kind of crazy because Panama was never on my bucket list, to be honest. But then moving back home, I wanted to see more of the Caribbean, more of South America, and Panama just came up and he went. And I won't lie, it was a really good vibe. So this was breakfast. I had waffles, eggs, what's this that I put in it? I think they put like bacon and so on. I got a salad, I got plantains. It was really good. And then I put some, maple syrup in it. The plantain chips, yum, really delicious. Enjoyed every bit of it. I show you a bit, and here I am putting the maple syrup. Like the maple syrup took it up 100%. Listen, like just looking at it, I can't remember how it tastes. Like it was good, and I had tomatoes and so on inside, like a nice little sandwich. Oh my gosh, I could eat some of that right now. I could eat some of that right now. And I also got some chicken in it as well. It was lovely. It was a 10 out of 10. If you're ever in Panama, definitely check out Crepes and Waffles in Panama City. 10 out of 10 would recommend. They also had like a fruit salad bar as well. I guess it's to serve local people who wanted just something healthy for lunch or for breakfast. Then after now, it was time to go on the tour. So I booked this tour through vietatour.com, and basically we went and saw the monkeys. Okay, so we're on the bus first, and then we got off the bus and we're going to go on a boat. This early. Yeah, so we're going to go get on a boat now, and then go on the tour. Now off the bus, and we're going to take one of these boats out there. Okay, so the bus pick you from your hotel, and then it carried you to the boat. And if you had like multiple different groups, they all went on the boat, which was kind of weird. But yeah, we got on the boat, and it was time to journey off to see the monkeys and see Panama Canal.
Gamboa was one of the most important military bases for the United States in the middle of the Panama Canal.
We're on the boat now. as I was saying earlier, I never really saw myself traveling to Panama.
Pacific Ocean, 25 miles from here, Caribbean.
Caribbean over there, Jamaica over there. All I knew, I wanted to see the Caribbean, I wanted to see Latin America, and it was such a blessing to be here. I am forever grateful for every country that I've visited. This was country number 11, and it was beautiful. It was worth it. Definitely get up if you can and go and see the world. The world is yours and it's ready to be seen by you. So get up, go and see the world. Yeah, totally worth it. The package on Vieta tour was...
This is
crumbs,
a baby.
but that's
It's a
okay.
baby. It's a baby.
Careful.
Okay.
Boy.
Take quick. That's a little baby.
He's like, that crumb
Bang.
below me.
Bang.
Yeah, this is a sound you have to make to try to get their attention. To get their attention so they can come for the food. This is so fun. I have a crumb, but thank you, Lelucha.
Calm down. He will come down. He will come down. Don't worry.
Lelucha, you coming for it? You coming for it? Hey.
Peluche. This
Hey. Hey, Papa. Hey. He took it off. Look at the baby. You're so cute. I just got.
That's why he's so protected.
You want this one? Bye. It's not expensive. It was reasonably priced. This place just is wet. It's absolutely beautiful. When I travel, I'm just reminded that life is meant for so much more than just for working and paying bills. Because look how beautiful nature is. Look how beautiful the world is, and then we have bills. But I never expected this from Panama, but it brought me so much peace. I am forever grateful for this experience. I'm forever grateful for seeing the world, and big up my man. But yeah, beautiful experience, beautiful world, and I can't wait to see more of the world. Have you ever been to Panama? Is Panama on your bucket list? Drop it in the comment if you'd like to go to Panama. Drop it in the comment if you want tips, ideas, my itinerary. Leave a comment, leave a like, share, and subscribe. I love you. And that's all for the boat tour. So we made a quick stop to use the bathroom and go to the grocery store. And this is how the supermarket looks. I got some plantain chips. No? Alright, so we did all of that and now we are heading back to our hotel. It was a good day. I got plantain chips and mango juice and I bought some water. Trying to take it from this. And we're going through the inner city. Into the inner city. And the roads rise across in Panama City and out of the town. Like the roads extremely bumpy. Like the drive, you can jump up and down, up and down.
Associations.
I really need somebody.
We come to this restaurant for dinner. quick to say big up to me as well because I work hard. Thank you. This is absolutely unfocused. The cutest restaurant. Hi guys, editing B coming in real quick to wrap up day 3. This is future D first of all. What I wanted to say is that this restaurant, they were really kind. Like, they realized I was videoing and so on. Wait, the fan probably loading in the background. Excuse the fan. But they realized I was videoing all, and I got free drinks, and I got, I think, the sweet treats as well was a free. Yeah, I think I got both of those free. Yeah. Because we were just trying to be nice. I guess they saw me videoing, and I guess they said, you know, free shout out is always good. So yeah, that was really sweet of them. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, today's vlog. I hope you watch the next vlog. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. I would say that the food, I don't know if I didn't come in after the restaurant, but the food was pretty good. I really love the curry with the coconut shredding inside. Delicious. Ambience 10 out of 10. The food, I would definitely give it a 9. Like, the food was pretty good. The tacos were okay. The main course really good. Drinks were good as well. I would definitely give them a 9. 8.59. Yeah, it was a really good restaurant to try. If you're in Panama, definitely check them out. And customer service 10 out of 10. Okay, so I need to quickly talk about yesterday because I didn't talk about like a recap of yesterday. Right, yesterday was our first full day in Panama. It was good-ish. We went to the Bio Museum, but the Bio Museum was closed by 3 or 4, I believe, and we got there too late. In the morning we had breakfast. Breakfast was pretty good, and then after breakfast we went, it was kind of like brunch, not really breakfast but brunch. After brunch we went to Casco Viejo. And Casco Viejo, we walked around, we had tea, we found a Jamaican tour guide, so that was quite interesting. And after that, we went to the Bio Museum, and that was closed. And then after, we walked down into the town from the Bio Museum. It was a nice little stroll, like a 40-minute stroll. Like a 40-minute stroll. We got coconuts on the way, and then we stopped to try out the bicycle, the moped, those stuff that are here. We stopped to try it out. Listen, first we did like a 2-seater ride, right? And you had to pedal. You see videos of it. You had to pedal, and we were not doing it. We're not doing it right. It was not working out for us. The pedal, it was hard to pedal. That's what I'm gonna say. All right, and then after that we changed, so we switched and we went to like a moped type thing. And listen, I think it's like, it reminds me of my experience in Japan when I had the accident with a 4-wheeler. Like, there's like, if you press too hard, you brake too hard, like it speed up, and you know, it's scary. It's very scary. So we jump off of that. Didn't want to do that. And then we were trying to look for shaved ice. We couldn't find any shaved ice. We came back to the hotel, got dressed, and went for dinner. Dinner, we went to Primitivo, depending on how it's pronounced, if it's Spanish or they pronounce it like English. We went there for dinner, and I had the seafood pasta, which was good. I had Chombo's nachos. That was really good. I got avocado on it. You'll be seeing videos of it. Avocado on it, minced beef, and so on, and that was pretty good. And I had like chocolate cake with ice cream on top and fruits, and that was really delicious. Yeah, so All right, back to what I was saying. So that was pretty good. What else happened? And then we came back to the hotel and we relaxed. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment, please. Thank you. Mwah.